Didn't feel bad. Didn't feel bad at all. I'm still very scared of jacking my back up again. But I'll get there. I do want to compete again. But I got a shoulder that doesn't want to cooperate. I got a back that I don't know where I can go yet. But I'm going to build it back. I got to earn every ounce, every pound. It's going to suck. Big time. But we're going to get there. This felt good though. This is the first time I really pulled on a straight bar. Knew I didn't need to rush, take my time, set up. I mean, it's a 2-inch rise on that, so it's not from the floor. That's all right, not a big deal. No belt, no sleeves, no nothing else, just straps. All right, let's do the rest of the workout now.